Hi folks, this is Anne Marie, and looking at results from the published trades, our biweekly results event. Here, going to tell us exactly what we need to look at. We've got 12 winning segments from silver, 3 losing segments. Gold having a little bit of a tough time. Again, that's because the market is a little bit choppy and frothy. The silver segments keep winning out because our time frames are shorter, our stops are tighter, and frankly, we have to pay more attention in this environment, and that's what's delivering these really good good results, very good results. A little bit closer look, we'll see that the biggest silver winner was 108, biggest silver loser was negative 20.3, biggest gold winner plus 93, which is really great. Biggest loser negative 29. Here are the active um, charts for us to look at. You can see now these are blacked out because they are still active. Lulu is still an active short, Netflix still an active long, but we have taken profit out of here in the month of May, and so that does need to sit in the results formation. And so we can see our losing segments, negative 9, negative 20, and negative 20, 30. And so our winning segments also pretty easy to see. Very nice gains. Notice the win-loss ratio in terms of the percentage gains to the percentage loss. Really a big part of this membership, giving us that sort of movement. Actually, both sides of the membership, silver and gold, really do try to focus on these particular spaces. So these are the trades that we have closed. Notice not a ton of activity, right? I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades in the last 2 weeks, right? We're being very selective and very cautious in this market. I know it feels like it's going straight up, but the charts are not very pretty, and so they have to be managed in a pretty specific way. Taking a look at these guys here, we had these two big, gigantic winners, 93 and 80%. KMB gave us a tough time. Just the bottom absolutely fell out of this one, and not only did the bottom fall out of the price, volatility just absolutely fell out of the calls. When that happens, we do have these spaces, right? But here's the thing. If we didn't publish these results, right, or we only publish the good stuff, then, how real would it be? Okay, and this is just it, how we're going. Take the good with the bad. I know a lot of folks, when things go wrong, they have a tendency to stop trading specific formations. Now, I did put up a post. I want you to take a look at it. It's making the most out of your trades. If you haven't seen it yet, watch it. And it is an all access reading post, but it's about what to do in these spaces where the market looks like it's moving all nice and fun, but in actuality, not really doing that. All right? So that's something that we need to take a look at. It'll really help you get much better if you take these gold membership trades and they start slipping off their levels. You'll know to be able to stop yourself out before the initial hard stops come up, right? You'll be able to notice the weakness once you get in to see if this chart's going to have a reversal place and get into a space where you are really managing your trades. Now, here's the thing. The trades work nicely, right? If we're taking a look at something like silver and we say, hey, listen, when you get in there and you've got yourself an active trade going, the reason the silver trade, the silver membership again, is producing these kinds of results is because really we've got very precise and active spaces where you go, hey, listen, as soon as the stop gets to here, as soon as price gets to here, you need to get the stop going up to here, and then you watch very carefully. If your price triggers and it doesn't hold, there's a problem. I build these targets and these entry spaces to say, hey, listen, if we move in, this is exactly what needs to happen. We're either breaking out or breaking down. We're breaking out if it's a long, we're breaking down if it's a short, but the same levels that show breakout can show exhaustion. And so all I try to do is sit on the side that gives us the highest probability. Sometimes it doesn't work. That's why it's called probability. So if you're looking for the perfect space, I'm sorry, it's not here for you. But if you're looking for a space that gives really good returns and very, very actively managed, and you're able to actively manage your trades, silver's really pulling it through. All right, so that's it, folks. A very good month overall. The entire month was very, very nice. And you know what? We'll see how June takes us. You take care.